बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पेपर इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री क्लास एमएससी प्रीवियस। ये लेक्चर मॉर्निंग इवनिंग दोनों क्लासेस के लिए है, जिसमें हम बॉन्डिंग इन पाई एक्सेप्टर लिगेंड कॉम्प्लेक्सेस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। पाई एसिड लिगेंड्स, द वैलेंस बॉन्ड structure of carbon monoxide shows two non-bonding electron pair with a triple bond between carbon and oxygen। इस स्ट्रक्चर्स में हम देख सकते हैं कि कार्बन ऑक्सीजन दोनों के ऊपर एक एक लोन पेयर मौजूद है और इन दोनों के दरमियान एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड जो है वो शो किया गया है। द फॉर्मर चार्ज on oxygen atom is +1, whereas on the carbon atom is -1. Dipole moment of carbon monoxide is 0.12 dpi, with the carbon being at the negative end of the dipole. Carbon monoxide is a softer electron donor. The carbon end of carbon monoxide molecule is thus a softer electron donor, and it is the carbon atom that is bonded to the metal. The bond order, number of bond that exists between two atoms, is called bond order. Bond order of hydrogen is 1, bond order of oxygen is 2, while bond order of carbon monoxide is 3 for CO. That is, a triple bond exists in carbon monoxide molecule for gaseous carbon monoxide in which the triple bond exists. The carbon oxygen stretching is observed at 2143 per centimeter. Slight reduction in the bond order, however, in metal carboxyl, the carbon oxygen stretching bond is seen at 1850 to 2100 per centimeter for terminal carbon monoxide groups. This is observed for IR spectra of carbon monoxide, terminal carbon monoxide and simple carbon monoxide. The shifting of carbon monoxide stretching band upon coordination to metal reflects a slight reduction in the bond order resulting from back donation of electron density from metal to carbonyl or carbon monoxide. Molecular orbital diagram of carbon monoxide shows that paired electrons are present. It is due to the presence of paired electron. Carbon monoxide molecule is diamagnetic, but pi star orbitals are empty, which are easily accept electron from metal filled orbitals. Molecular orbital diagram of carbon monoxide shows that the molecule is diamagnetic. The substance which is repelled by magnetic field is called diamagnetic, and diamagnetic characteristics are produced due to the presence of paired electrons, while the molecules which are weakly attracted by magnetic field are called paramagnetic, and paramagnetic characteristics are produced due to the presence of unpaired electron. Electron density is donated back from metal to pi star orbital on the ligands. The pi star orbitals on carbon monoxide have appropriate symmetry to effectively accept this electron density, resulting in a slight double bond character to the metal carbonyl bond and slight reduction from triple bond character in the carbonyl ligands. You have an idea about the reduction of carbon oxygen triple bond and addition of carbon oxygen double bond. Back donation, because of electron donating density is flowing from the metal onto ligand, this donation is known as back donation. It is in the reverse direction to that in the normal donation of electron in forming coordinate bonds. The term back bonding is sometimes used instead of back donation because the ligands are functioning as acceptor of electron density from metal. Pi acceptor, the ligands are referred as pi acceptor because of receiving electron density donated from metal to pi star orbitals of the ligands. Back donation results in increasing the bond order between the metal and the ligand. The result in additional binding energy between metal and ligand. The metal in the metal carbonyl occur in low oxidation state because of the favorable interaction of soft ligands with metal in low oxidation state, soft Lewis acid. As you know that soft acid, soft base complexes are stronger than soft acid, hard base, soft acid complex. Thus, since metal is electropositive in nature, it would feel more comfortable if some of the excess electron density present on the metal atom get transferred to vacant pi star orbital of the carbonyl ligand by forming MCO pi bond. इस लेक्चर से एक एक्सटेंसिव क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, जैसा कि एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल द नेचर ऑफ बॉन्डिंग इन पाई एक्सेप्टर कॉम्प्लेक्सेस. पॉसिबल शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस इस तरह से हो सकते हैं. शो द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वैलेंस बॉन्ड थ्योरी. दूसरा क्वेश्चन हो सकता है बैक डोनेशन इन मेटल कार्बोनाइल. तीसरा क्वेश्चन बन सकता है हाउ IR स्पेक्ट्रा कंफर्म द बैक डोनेशन इन मेटल कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड. चौथा क्वेश्चन बन सकता है ड्रा molecular orbital diagram of carbon monoxide, show that carbon monoxide is diamagnetic. एक और क्वेश्चन बन सकता है how back donation is possible in metal carbonyl. Why central metal atom is in zero or low oxidation state in metal carbonyl. आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही, क्योंकि रिकॉर्डिंग सॉफ्टवेयर इससे ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकता. गॉड ब्लेस अस ऑल. आमीन. थैंक यू.